Time for some Tuesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin in Erie with Graylin Welch celebrating birthday number 6.
Anaya Palmer turning 6 years old as well. Anaya is in Crestline. Happy birthday.
And Rhett Bourne celebrating birthday number 10 in St. Paul. Happy birthday, Rhett.
In Columbus, Ava Allison celebrating birthday number 14 this year.
And we've got Madison Rice celebrating birthday number 15 over in Appleton City. Happy birthday wishes coming from your mom and family in Kansas.
All right, up in Fort Scott, turning 17 this year. It's time to celebrate for Cadence Tuck.
And Caitlin Young in Parsons celebrating birthday number 24. And she'll be graduating in May with a doctorate in pharmacy. Happy birthday, Caitlin.
All right. Chanel Bullard in Columbus. Happy birthday to you. Chanel is a pair at Central Junior High. Happy birthday from your daughter.
And Kristen Feck celebrating birthday number 39 in Neosho. Very happy birthday to you, Kristen.
Looks like she's a Star Wars fan. And Joe Meadows in Liberal, Missouri, turning 41 years old this year. Happy birthday from Mom, Dad, Mima, and the family.
And on the right side of this photo is Jackie Hall, who's celebrating a birthday in Baxter Springs. Happy birthday, Jackie.
All right, and in Galena, Kansas, Carol Clyburn. Happy birthday to you, 66 this year.
We've also got Linda Parsons celebrating a birthday in Scammon. Happy birthday, Linda.
And Donald Lacrone turning 85 years old in Iola, Kansas.
And last but absolutely not least, over in Galesburg, we've got Barbara Wheeler celebrating a birthday today. So a very happy birthday to all of you on our list. And if you want to contribute to our list, Tanya knows what you need to do.
That's right. All you have to do is send us an email to this address. Send us your picture, the name, the birth date, and all the details that you'd like us to share. Send it to birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're checking out our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.